like omelets. Omelets are fun, they're easy to make and really great to eat. Welcome to La Mesa. I'm Chef Miguel, aka the Bronx Cycling Chef. My omelet's gonna have 5 eggs, some chives, some seasoned salt and pepper, spiced ham and cheese. Heat is already up on my griddle. Just turn it up a little bit more. Wash my hands. Welcome to my kitchen. It's a beautiful day here in the Bronx, New York. Where y'all watching from? Good morning. So let's get to just viewing glad to have y'all in my kitchen. Let's go. Whisk with a whisker, but it's something that I like to do, and it makes it fun, different. All right, got that out the way. Salt is there. Let's add some butter. Let's bring you on over so you can see closer what's going on here. Good morning. Let's get some. Alright, there we go. Appreciate the hearts. Let's get some breakfast going. Cheese, ham, butter. Let's lower this temperature down. Get this out. I'm a fan of spiced ham, I always have. For omelet, look, you can put anything you want into it. It's all up to you. Omelets are great no matter what it is. Okay, that's getting nice and happy up in there. Yeah, today I chose cheese and spiced ham because that's what I have on hand and that's what I'm gonna go for. All right. I want this to firm up a little bit more. Let's get it. See it bubbling? Just letting you know that's getting happy up in there. Thank you for joining La Mesa. I appreciate you. Let's see if I can flip this over now. Ooh, that's pretty, right? Damn. Yeah. All right. Let's go and plate this one. Figure on over. I have to make one of these without cheese. My daughter does not to have cheese in her omelet. She's a special kind of girl. Some chives. Black pepper. Seasoned salt. That's one. Let's move on to the next one. Get it done quicker, right? It's already buttered up. Good, good, good. No cheese here. Let that get happy. All right, it's looking right. Give it another minute. Where's everybody watching from this morning? Okay. Ooh, that one says, yay. I'm good to go, sir. Plate the next omelet up. Watch your heat. If you're making the omelet, watch your heat. And watch how long you keep the egg in there. There we go. I'm gonna need to add a little more. One more egg. There you go. For the next omelet. Set that aside right there. All right. Memphis, Tennessee. Yeah, Memphis, let's go. Chives. Black pepper. Seasoned salt. Okay. That's there. I'll set these up so they can be eaten. Breakfast is ready! Thanks for the follow. Appreciate you. One over here. One over here. We're gonna make another one. Because this man must eat. Take off the heat. I don't want the smoke in. We're live right now. Oh, that's okay. That's what you do. Oh, check them.
Oh, when you get a chance to check the video.
San Marcos, Texas. Marcos. See, all right, Texas. Let's go, Texas. Appreciate you, Texas. Eat. Oh, wow, this is going to be a big ass omelet. All right. Where else we got from? All right. Spice ham. Your omelet does not have any cheese on it, so. What? Mariah's does not have no cheese on it.
Oh. I like cheese.
You have cheese on yours.
Oh, yeah.
All right. That's getting happy. Where else? I couldn't see anybody else where you're viewing from, but I appreciate you. Welcome to La Mesa. Ooh.
Pretty. This is an omelet.
This is an omelet. Oh, that's what I like to hear.
This is an omelet. Yes. Perfect.
Oh, good. Moving this out the way. Nobody's looking at you. It's pointing right at me. All right. Now that's an omelet too.
Mm-hmm.
Fire off.
And the light went out.
Let's add some butter here. My light turned off. My light just said, I don't want to work no more. Okay. Butter. It's gonna go right there. Yes, I did. All right. That's out of the way. Let's turn on this light. I like. It started flickering and it said, I don't want to work no more.
Yeah. Another one.
There we go. We got a little bit of light. Okay. Some chives. Black pepper. Seasoned salt. It's got a little bit of kosher salt, celery salt. Set that aside. Don't need the knife. If you want to make an omelet yourself, just make sure you have the right amount of eggs. And depending on which egg size you're using, could mean a whole lot of how big it's going to be or how small it's going to be. If you happen to be outside of the United States, your eggs are awesome. They could actually be kept outside, not in the refrigerator, because you get to keep that special membrane around the eggs that lets them stay good and fresh. And while here we have them heated up and the outside protective layer is taken off, and we have to keep them that way and keep them in the refrigerator cool. Let's go. This is good. Thanks for joining. This is my ham and cheese omelet. Spice ham. I appreciate y'all joining me today. Omelets are great. You can do them yourself. It's bright and sunny here in New York City. I'm glad. I don't like the gloomy days, rainy days. Doesn't make me happy.
Love rainy days. Calming and soothing. Wash away all the stress and craving.
No, I'm glad you think so. All right, right back. Yeah. This omelet came out really good. Folks, thank you so much for having watched my short video. YouTube can make an omelet. It can be filled with anything you want. That's good for you. And just make sure that you don't burn your eggs, because they only take less than a minute to firm up and be ready to serve. You don't have to be a chef to do it. You can be a home cook. My final message to you today: stay around positive people. Kick negativity in the balls or wherever. Don't need to be around that. Anybody who's a leech in your life and or an energy vampire, you don't need to be around them. Bike ride, jog, walk, or just do anything that's going to be healthy for you, and be safe about it. I'm Chef Miguel. Thank you for watching me. And thank you for spending time with me in La Mesa. Take care.